Good, very good. Okay. All right, let's have you breathe in and breathe out. Good, good. Nice. Okay, breathe in and out. Good. Okay, breathe in. Good. Let's see if we can a little bit more. Over here. And again, let's have you breathe in. Yeah, see? Breathe in. And breathe out. Good. There. Good. No. Chin up. Relax it. There we go. Okay, let's have you breathe in. And breathe out. Good. Oh. Okay, let's have you breathe in. And out. Have you breathe in. Okay. And breathe in. And out. Okay. This side. Okay, relax that. Chin up. Good. Sure. Okay, ready? Let's have you breathe in and breathe out. Good. Good. Okay, that's it. Okay, tuck the chin, this side. Okay, and chin up, just relax it. Oh, more here, relax that. Okay. Okay, chin up a little bit there. Okay. Good. Okay. Yeah, that's better. Okay. One more chin up. There we go. There's still a lot going on there. Alright, that's it. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, let's have you breathe in. And breathe out. Good, good. Good. Okay, chin up. Good. Okay, let's have you breathe in. And breathe out. Good. Good. Let you breathe in. And out. Good. Good. Breathe in. And out. Good. Good. Let's have you breathe in. And breathe out. Good. Let's have you breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. Okay, good. Okay, relax it.
Oh. Oh.
Good.
My fish is in my shirt, though.
Really? Let's have you breathe in. And breathe out. Good.
Oh.
Okay, let's have you breathe in. And out. Good. Yeah, relax it. Breathe in. And breathe in. And out. Good. Okay. Relax that. Good. Okay, let's have you breathe in. And breathe out. Good. Good. Breathe in. breathe in. Oh no. Okay, let's have you breathe in and breathe out. Oh, okay.
The weather is really bad nowadays.
Yeah.
Humid as hell.
Yeah.
Oh.
And breathe out. Good. Oh. Got the groan too. Are we gonna have the over-exaggerated expression? Like, oh my god! This. Whenever I'm not on the camera, I don't know. You gotta have to kind of express yourself a little bit. 'Cause that's what people want.
Not too much, right?
Unless it's true and authentic. If it's true and authentic, I mean, yeah, you can go ahead and do it. But if you're saying, "Oh my god," and like bad acting kind of thing. Breathe in.